You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
While OnePlus successfully launched its 8 series flagships earlier this month, the company's mid-range option, the OnePlus Z, is yet to see daylight. We saw recent reports claiming the device is due to launch in July, and now we have our first alleged hands-on image, thanks to the folks over at TrueTech. A recent tip from TrueTech shares a photo of what is said to be the OnePlus Z. There's no way to figure out if this is a fake or authentic photo, but given that this source has been sharing photos of previous OnePlus devices, we can assume that chances for this to be true could be high. If the phone is indeed going to launch in July, we can expect OnePlus to start testing the prototypes out in the real world. Nonetheless, the OnePlus Z shown in the photo is akin to what the previous renders of the device have shown us. There's a modern bezel-less design at the front, and it seems that OnePlus is sticking to an AMOLED panel for the OnePlus Z. On the top, there's a punch hole cutout that holds the camera, but unlike the OnePlus 8, it sits in the center instead of a corner. The volume and power buttons are noticeable along with the classic alert slider. The OnePlus Z also appears to be running OnePlus's Oxygen OS here, and the screen in this particular case shows a fingerprint setup process, hinting at an in-display scanner. Sadly, what's not visible is the back of the phone, which could have hinted about the type of the main camera setup. It is also unknown whether the OnePlus Z will ditch the 3.5mm headphone jack, similar to its expensive kins. The OnePlus Z is supposed to be the phone for OnePlus what the iPhone SE 2020 is to Apple. Rumors have suggested that the OnePlus Z will carry on from where the original OnePlus X left in 2016. That said, we speculate that OnePlus could be aiming at the sub-Rs 30,000 segment with the OnePlus Z, and to make it possible, the OnePlus Z will rely on a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chip instead of a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.